What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your CashApp account. Now for those people who do not know CashApp is a financial app. Now why it is a financial app is because CashApp is mostly used in United States to send and receive money. So basically if your friend has a CashApp and you have a CashApp, you can send your friend the money or your friend can send you money in your CashApp, which you guys can cash out in your bank. So that's how it works. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question related with the video, you can drop it down in the comment and you can easily download CashApp from Play Store or App Store. And with that said, let's jump into the video. After downloading CashApp, the first step is to open it. So open CashApp, and after opening it, what you want to do is it's gonna ask you to enter your email or your phone number. If you created your CashApp account using email, you need to enter it over here. If you created your account using your mobile number, you need to enter that over here. So since I created my CashApp account using my email, I'm gonna enter my email over here. But first, the email entering thing needs to open up. So it might take some time, so let it load for a bit. Now once you're in this page, enter your email or phone number. So I'm going to enter my email over here, which I linked. So after entering the email, click on next. I'm going to send a verification code to that email. If it is your phone number, it's going to be SMS. So check your email or your SMS and enter the code over here. Click on next. Basically, your account should open up. So that's how you guys can log in into your CashApp account. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. If you guys have any question, just drop it down in the comment, and bye bye.